Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl. Hey, how y'all doing today? Your girl not feeling 100%, but I wanted to get this video done, and I'm gonna start doing shop my stash videos where I'm just gonna go through my makeup, put stuff in, use it. Now, what I've decided to do is do it by brands. I might not always do it by brands, but I want to start off doing it by brands. And what I'll do is I'll do the shop my stash video here on YouTube, and then you guys can go to my Instagram, which is It's Lori's Life, and then look at my stories, and you'll be able to see the looks that I got using these products throughout the week. All right, if you want to know the brand that your girl picked for the week, keep watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life.
All right, y'all. I decided this week to use ABH because I have quite a bit. I can almost pretty much do almost a full face with ABH. So that's why I decided to use them first. And I'm just going to jump into it. We're going to use I don't have any other foundation except for this stick foundation, and it's in the color Toffee, and I really like it. So I'll be using that foundation for the week, and I'm putting the stuff away as we go. And I don't have any setting powder, so I haven't picked this up in a while, and this is my Dark Deep matte powder. So I'm gonna set it with that because you definitely do have to set that foundation. And then as far as like my brows and stuff concerned, I always use my ABH products, like, you know, the Brow Wiz. I always use the clear gel. I always use those. I always use the pencil. So that's something I always use, but I have not pulled out the pomade. So I'll be using the pomade along with these products as well, because I have not used this in a long time. So I'll be using that. Go ahead and put it away. And then as far as eyeshadow is concerned, we'll do eyeshadows last because I got plenty of those. Blushes, I have two of the little blush duals or trios, and one is called Peachy Love and the other one is called Berry Adore. And this is the berry one. And this one right here is the peachy one. So I feel like I can definitely get some use out of those. So that gives me 6 different colors to pick from. And for highlighter, I only have one highlighter, but I love this highlighter. The one from Amrezy, y'all. This is a beautiful highlighter. And this is the same person that they just did the new eyeshadow collab with. They had did this highlighter collab with her. Beautiful highlighter. So I'll be using that this week. And for lippies, oh, no. Also for concealer, I don't have a concealer for them. So I'm going to use this one, y'all, we got from the Boxycharm. It's by Pretty Vulgar. I will be using that this week. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Lippies, y'all, I just pulled out my liquid lipsticks. I'm not going to go over each one of them, but just so you can kind of see what I'll be working with. Y'all know this is my favorite Purple Rain. So those are some of the colors. And then these are the rest of the colors that I'll be using for the week. And now let's get to eyeshadows. Because everything else that I don't have, I'll just be using my regular stuff. But for eyeshadows, I picked the the Master Palette by Mario. I picked this for my like neutral colors, like neutral shades. Just a simple, easy look. And then I picked up the Prism. I picked the Prism for my my grungy, you know, greeny orange, you know, green, really for that green and that brown and black. I want like a grungy look for the week. That's why I picked that palette. And then I picked my Modern Renaissance palette for my mauve looks, because y'all know your girl gotta have a mauve look, so you know that mauve shade. And then for a little color, I picked my Alyssa Edward palette. So if I want to do a little brighter, bolder look for the week. And then I picked my Sultry palette because, y'all, I love this for my brown and gold type look. And then also I was thinking, y'all, this right here on the end, that black and that gray and silver, that might be a really pretty look. So I don't know which one I'm gonna end up doing. So those are the 5 palettes that I picked from ABH. And then I have this little palette that I have made up that if I'm just rushing and just trying to get out the door, it's a simple, it has browns and oranges and like a pretty brick red, a simple 2 colors. You know, y'all know how it be sometimes when you ain't got time. So just in case I don't have time over the weekend, I can use that. And now also I wanted to do a different primer because y'all know I love my Tasha, but I'm gonna put her to the side, and I decided to use this Cover FX blurring primer. I haven't used this in forever, so I'm gonna use this right here as my primer. And I think that's it. Oh, I did pick up a fragrance for the week. I was looking at Just Peachy DJ, and she was doing her fragrance. She did a collection of her perfumes. If you haven't seen that, check that video out. But she pulled out that Happy, and I used to love Happy. I said, you know what? I'm trying to have positive vibes only, good vibes only. So I want to do Happy as my fragrance for the week. And then you guys already know your eyeliner, mascara, just gonna be regular stuff. And that is it. Oh, one more thing. I also pulled out that contour palette, which I'm not that big of a fan of, but I'm gonna give it another try. I'm gonna try it again. So I will be using this for contouring. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm gonna try to give it another chance. And then I'm gonna set it with my, my bad, y'all. I'm gonna set it with my Black Radiance. Now that's the look for the entire week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, go to my Instagram. It's Lori's Life. If you want to see the looks that I come up with throughout the week, they'll be in my stories. But this is my very first shop, my stash, y'all. I'm using my products because your girl is on a makeup budget. So now, to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video. Bye-bye, ladies.
Yeah, check out Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life. Yeah, it's Lori's Life.